So hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and today I'll be talking about MAPSUSD, and this is what I have on my chart, but I would prefer using this to explain this clearly. So this is going to be a very short video, and if you haven't subscribed on my YouTube channel, please do that so that whenever I drop any video, you would get a notification. So what am I looking at on this chart? One thing I keep explaining or talking about is the levels. Levels has to do with support and resistance, which support and resistance are the most and the key important aspect of technical analysis. With support and resistance, you would see different chart patterns. With support and resistance, you would see your supply zone and your demand zone. With support and resistance, you would get so many levels that you can buy and sell. So what am I looking at in this chart? First thing first, I like what I shared with you guys here. You can see this horizontal resistance and upsloping support, but I want to use this now. So now let's get these levels right. I'm going to expand this a little bit. So the levels are from here. We're looking at the resistance from here. Now take a look at this closely. Now I'm going to expand this. Now you look at this closely, you look at the close of the candlestick and the close of this, and you can see where this one opened and it closed above this, this, and this. Now, what am I trying to point out here? What I'm trying to point out here is the levels of resistance that has been holding for some time since February 25th. And he tried to test it again around 14th of this last month, rather. Now you can see price got to that level, it paused and did not close above this and this. And then the next daily candlestick closed above this. Now this close of the candlestick above this 1, 2, and 3 has given us that strong level, the strong level which will give us a new support. Like you must have read it somewhere where they say support will turn to future resistance, resistance will turn to future support. So now that's what we have here. Now you need to understand these psychological levels. Now, what are we looking at the support? We can use this to the upside here. So we're using this as the support. Now, depending on the BTC move, this should hold within this level. Now, if I go down to lower time frame, now let me do this so that we'll understand this level of resistance that got violated and moved to the upside. Now, let me move to lower time frame. Let's say 4 hours. Now, look at this. You can see if we move this a little bit higher to this level, we can see the retest and continuation, but price is still within this level. So it's trying to create a new level of resistance and support. So let me remove this now. This is the first and the new resistance now, and this is another level of support here. So price need to hold within this resistance and this support for we to get a new move to the upside. But so far so good. I can see price is looking good at this level. Looking at the daily time frame, there's nothing really much on this MAPS USD. Just to understand these levels, and they are very important for you to understand these levels here. So we have this and an upsloping support, just like I said earlier, upsloping support. Now, how do we calculate our target? We'll calculate this target by using this, to the upside here. to the upside here. So we'll take the measured height of this. So I'm going to delete this. Let me do that again. So take this from the resistance down to the support here. Then we'll drag this and drop it at a breakout. So I can approximately say 2 USD around here. So I can approximately say 2 USD. Now, one thing again is this. Okay, let's say this from this to this level here. So one thing I want to point out here is price. When the price action gets to this, it's getting close to the target. Anything can happen. It can continue to go higher, just like what we saw in MOB USD. So we got this level. If you watched the previous video I did on this, we got this ascending triangle, which we calculated a target of 9 USD. And you can see how the move continued moving higher, and it got to 42 US dollars, and you can see price has paused a little bit. So this is just a little bit of what I am expecting, and try to understand that what I am explaining here, or what I just explained now, is called the ascending triangle. This is the ascending triangle. It has horizontal resistance and upsloping support. So I'll be dropping more of this kind of video. I'll try to make it very short so that everyone will be able to watch and see how you can buy most of these calls bit by bit. So guys, if you have any question, do well to send me a message on Telegram or on Twitter. You can get the link in the description below. And if you want to join my Signal group, it's a very free Signal group where you get signals by a deal with Forex, stocks, and crypto. You can check the link in the description to get the link to my Telegram channel. So guys, this will be the end of this section, and happy trading guys, and enjoy the rest of your night.